Have you ever wondered how large language models like ChatGPT can write poems or solve math problems? These incredible AIs are often called black boxes because even their creators don't fully understand their internal workings. Welcome to Summarized Science, where we break down complex research into simple terms. Today, we're looking at a fascinating paper that introduces a method to peek inside the AI's mind and find what the researchers call skill neurons. Think of these as tiny, specialized parts of the AI's brain that are responsible for one specific ability, like understanding spatial relationships or doing math. The researchers developed a simple but powerful technique to find them. They give the AI a set of tasks and watch which individual neurons become most active. By correlating this neuron activity with an auxiliary metric, like whether the task involved a certain skill or how confident the model was in its answer, they can pinpoint the exact neurons in charge. For instance, they created tasks that required either spatial reasoning or the ability to create metaphors. Looking at this graph, they found neurons that lit up for spatial reasoning but remained quiet for metaphors, effectively separating the two skills inside the network. They also applied this to a task designed to trick AIs into using simple shortcuts instead of truly understanding the language. Again, their method successfully isolated the neurons responsible for this cheating behavior. But their most stunning discovery came from a multiple-choice arithmetic task. Here, they didn't give the AI any clues about what to look for. They simply defined their metric as the model's own performance, looking for neurons that were active when the model solved a problem easily. Amazingly, the method automatically discovered that the model was using a previously unknown shortcut. It found neurons that specialized in solving multiplication problems just by looking at the last digit of the numbers. This graph clearly shows the difference in activation for problems with and without this shortcut. This means the technique can uncover problem-solving strategies that we didn't even know the AI was using. Another key finding is that these highly specialized neurons are extremely rare. This chart of all the neuron correlations shows that only a tiny fraction are strongly linked to the skill, a concept known as sparsity. So, to recap the most important takeaways from this work, the researchers have introduced an effective and broadly applicable method to identify specific skill neurons within complex AI models. This method can distinguish between different skills and even discover hidden, unknown shortcuts that an AI has taught itself. What does this mean for the future? This is a significant step towards making AI less of a black box and more transparent. By understanding which parts of the model control which behaviors, we could one day diagnose AI mistakes, remove biases, or even enhance their capabilities with surgical precision. It paves the way for building safer, more controllable, and more trustworthy artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning into Summarized Science. If you enjoyed this peek inside the mind of an AI, be sure to like and subscribe for more research breakdowns.